What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Haven't talked to you guys in quite some time and I got some explaining to do, of course, but hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been like a month since my last video, but that is for good reason, of course. But to keep it short and simple, I just needed some time to reset, spend some time with family, deal with some personal matters. But I did not quit YouTube or Instagram. I haven't been posting on there either. Life's just been busy and that's all it is. I do miss making content for you guys. I also miss hanging out with the car homies. There just hasn't been that much going on in Orlando lately, but I hope to change that soon. The GTR is still here. It is running perfectly. It looks amazing. Again, I hope all of you guys have been well, but as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to. And now let's get into this video. Really quickly as well, another reason why I haven't been motivated to post is because my building my F80 in 10-minute video on YouTube has been doing exceptionally well over the past 4 months or so. So this is another reason why I kind of lack some motivation to post any new videos. This video is performing so well. It's my most viewed video on my channel now. 422,000 views at the time of filming this video. So yeah, this video has been holding it down and I do have some videos lined up, so stay tuned for future posts. And if you guys haven't checked out this recap yet, make sure you guys do it. It'll be linked in the description below.
Flashback.
Check out what just dropped off a delivery at my house. Big old freight truck. Just dropped off a package for the GTR. As you guys probably can already tell from the title and thumbnail. Yes, sir, we got a new front splitter for the GTR. So let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys and show you guys what we got. Holy shit. So we went with the Blitz style front lip for the GTR. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like on the car now. And man, when I got my car, I was looking for front splitter options and I actually saw a local here in Florida running this lip on his GTR. It's super subtle, but as you guys can see from the pictures, it's so clean as well. Again, this is the Blitz style. The front end looks a little naked without a front lip, as do most cars like BMWs. Front lip makes such a huge difference. And we also have some other goodies we're installing in this video. So it's an under tray as well as a front lip, but it looks amazing. The quality and the finish look beautiful. And the only other thing that we have to do now is jack up the car and take off the OEM front splitter. So let's go ahead and get to that. So right under the front bumper or the front lip, we have a bunch of these push pins that we have to take out with a pick tool, and that will reveal a 10mm nut behind it, which we have to take off. I think there's like 12 of them on the front, and then there's 2 by the fender liner that we have to take off. And then if you guys notice, the front lip that we got is massive, and that's because it actually includes this under tray piece right here. So we're gonna take off the OEM one. I think it's held on by 2 12mm nuts as well as 2 more 10mm. This is all coming off, and the front lip that we have is going to be a direct replacement. I looked and I saw that there's already holes drilled out for these OEM spots, so hopefully they line up perfectly. But that being said, let's go ahead and pop these out and take out the 10mm nuts. The 2 on the ends you're going to need an extension for. Alright, give you guys a little update. The front lip, it is basically off, but I also wanted to show you guys these push pins that you guys have to take out as well. I think there's like a good 12 of them that you have to just take out with a flathead pick tool. They came out pretty easily. Alright, just undid the sides, and in theory this should come off now. Just like that. Let's go. Alright, look at this behemoth of a front splitter and under tray. Again, the front lip is right here, and it's also riveted to the under tray right here. I think the older design lips actually had you drill out the rivets and separate this front splitter part from the under tray, because I did see that method used on a few older YouTube videos. So I think the manufacturers actually switched to this new design, which has the front lip incorporated with the under tray. So essentially it's just a plug and play. You take off the old under tray and lip and then you replace it with the new one. But now I understand why most of these splitters that you see online for GTRs cost so much money, because it's not just the front lip portion that we're buying, it's actually this whole replacement of the under tray as well. Most of these lips go for at least $1,000. That's about what I paid for this one, so they are not cheap, and I do not want to break this, of course, but now I understand why it is such an expensive piece. Alright, we got it mocked up and the fitment actually looks really good. I'm just hoping all the screw holes underneath line up, but check it out. It's gonna be a game changer. Can't wait to show you guys, can't wait to show the homies in Orlando as well. Hell yeah, it's go ahead and button her up now. And just like that, the front lip is now on. To be 100% transparent, the holes underneath did not line up, so I did have to drill some holes out to make sure I had room to screw the lip into the bumper. But after a good hour or so of finessing it, we finally got it on. And overall, besides the holes not lining up underneath, the fitment is actually amazing. I'll show you guys later in this video when we pull out the car, but we have a few other things to install in this video, so we're gonna get to that in the next clip. All right, so what you guys are seeing now, we are unboxing the OEM JDM clear side markers, and we're simply just going to be taking out the amber bulb that comes with them and replacing them with some white LED bulbs that I bought off of Amazon. I'll have them linked down in the description below. It's pretty straightforward. You just want to twist out the old bulb and then it's a direct replacement and pop it back in, and it should be easy as that. So again, we're getting rid of these OEM ugly amber reflectors. They also have an amber bulb in them as well, and we're changing those out to these OEM clear side markers, which look so much cleaner. The amber sticks out like a sore thumb. So similar to most BMWs, we all want to get rid of those OEM reflectors, and we want to get either the paint match ones, but in the GTR world, a lot of people run the clear side marker, which again looks so much cleaner. So the first thing you want to do is turn your wheel inwards to give you guys some more room. All you're going to need to take the OEM one out is a pick tool or a super small flathead. And it's super hard to show you with the angle on the camera, but right in here, you guys won't be able to see it. It's a little dark. There is a metal clip. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about on the clear reflector. Right here, there is that metal clip right here, and it is essentially just popped into the bumper. And all you need to do with your flathead or pick tool is just push this tab in while pulling the side marker out. And now let's go ahead and turn the car in accessory mode so you guys can see the difference. Yes, sir. They look so much better than the orange. The orange obviously matched the calipers for a little bit, but this looks so much cleaner, and I'm so happy with the outcome. Again, some of the simplest mods make such a big difference. I'll show you guys the other side really quickly. I think it's gonna look so good at night when it's illuminated. But now let's get on to the last and final mod for this video. Check it out, we have another mod for the GTR that just came in. Got some 3M, something super lightweight. Another cosmetic mod for the GTR. Most of the people watching right now are BMW people, so I'll go ahead and explain what we have here. This is a carbon fiber grille cover. So there's a little silver piece on the grille, and this is basically a carbon overlay that goes over top of it, kind of eliminating all silver in the front, and it looks so good. You guys can see gloss carbon. Look at that. This is gonna be the first carbon piece on the GTR, first of many. Hopefully we'll get some more later on, but this goes on the front of the grille, which I'll show you guys right now. So right here on the front of the GTR, we have a silver trim piece that comes from the factory. There's also one on the rear bumper as well. But this carbon overlay, I've seen a lot of GTR owners do, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. And basically it's just gonna slide on here. We're gonna have some 3M on there. I already did a test fit and it actually fits amazing. Again, carbon fiber, looks so beautiful. And just like that, the carbon fiber grille cover is on. The fitment was actually really good, and it looks so much better now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. All right, we just teleported outside and just wanted to give you guys a better look at all the mods that we did in this video. Again, the Blitz style front lip looks so good, but come on, man, this lip is so simple yet so clean. Again, as I said earlier in this video, the front end of this car desperately needs a front lip because this empty space right here on the OEM front lip just looks naked and bare. Doesn't look super aggressive, doesn't look clean. You guys can see right here how much it pokes out from the front. Again, it's super subtle, nothing too crazy, but the sides and the carbon looks so good. We went to Supercar Social yesterday and showed some of the guys, and they thought it was so clean. We have the OEM JDM clear side markers. Looks so much better than the orange amber ones that we had before. And then of course, to tie everything together, carbon fiber grille cover. Look at that. Looks so good. Yes, sir. We got the Advance, we got the front lip, we got the carbon fiber grille cover. I believe I'm going to be wrapping my roof black. I think that's going to look really nice, as well as the side emblems right here on the fender. They make a carbon fiber replacement for both the vent as well as the emblem right here, so those will be black eventually. And then I also wanted to black out the door handle, so stay tuned for that. That'll be in a future video, of course. And since I'm telling you guys all my plans right now, eventually I want to get rid of the orange calipers that come from the factory. Orange is not really my thing. I have a few different colors in mind. Again, that'll probably be next year or so. Got my beautiful FI exhaust. Thinking about blacking out this silver trim piece right here on the bumper, and it'll be a full, you know, blackout package after that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. We're gonna wrap it up here though. I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.